It was a really simple decision. I had seen that Landon and 1% had a listing elsewhere in the neighborhood, so we reached out a few months ago, had a great introductory conversation, seemed like a great fit from the outset, and as someone who was selling a house while living out of state, the service that Landon and his team provided was fantastic in terms of understanding and assessing the market, giving me insight as to what took place in the neighborhood, other trends that were taking place, and it was a complete full service offering that Landon and his team offered, and it was a fantastic experience. Well, first and foremost, I would not call Landon service a discount brokerage service. It was full service from the very beginning, and for folks who have bought and sold homes in the past, I don't think you'd see any difference in terms of previous realty companies that you have worked with. As I mentioned, it was full service, so it was a complete wonderful experience that I had.